Hey everybody, Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're in the garage. As you can see, here's the boat and all the stuff and the junk and the mess and where else. Today we're working on stuff, and today I got a tool review because me and Tanya's been doing some home projects, and I want to show you a new brad nailer that I got. And y'all know I'm all about the Ryobi cordless tools. Well, here is the Ryobi 1 Plus. The airstrike brad nailer, 18 volt, and it shoots an 18 gauge nail. And here it is right here. You'd think something that shot a little tiny nail wouldn't be so big, but it's not too unwieldy. I'll show you an 18 gauge nail. In my hand, there's a thing of 18 gauge nails. Hopefully that was focused. Let me look. Kinda. And I'm not going to do an unboxing because I've already unboxed it and I've already used it, and it works pretty good. So anyway, you get the nailer itself. You don't get a battery. You can buy a pack with the battery. This is what you got, and if you've already got the Ryobi batteries, you're good. And you get a pack of 1¼ inch brad nails. I think there's 50 or something. And the nails are not too expensive, and it shoots anywhere from a 5/8 of an inch brad up to a 2-inch brad. So it's pretty neat. Let's see what I've got in here. I've got 3/4 inch brad in here now. My local Home Depot didn't have anything else. They come just like a nail gun, and for doing fine, intricate work, this is nice, because when you take a 24-inch S-wing to it and hit something that's really fine, not good. But anyway, we're going to review this thing. And what you got, you know, some of the cordless nail guns are gas powered, where you have to put a gas canister in it or fill it up or whatever. This one has a compressor in it. And it has an adjustment screw. Let me get around here and show you. It has an adjustment screw on how much power you give it. You can turn up and down. Plug the battery in it. It's got a button right here, and it gives you lights. It's got lights on it. And here's how you load it. You know, pretty simple. But the first thing I want to tell you, if you get a pneumatic tool or any kind of tool like that, safety glasses. First thing you put on, because you don't want to mess this up. You don't want to shoot your eye out. But have your safety glasses on when you use it. Watch your fingers. This thing will shoot fast. It has a single shot mode. Then it has a where you can hold the trigger and hit it. I haven't used that yet, but we'll look at it. Comes with a pretty good manual. Read the manual. It'll help you. It tells you how to lubricate it, how to clean it, and how to operate it and everything. But anyway, this was $119 without a battery. And let me grab a couple pieces of wood here and I'll show you how it works. Alright, I got a couple pieces of little trim wood where we've been working on some projects. Got the gun, got my safety glasses. I'm going to pull you right down on top here and we'll watch this thing in action. And hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. So, got my safety glasses on. Plug the battery in, and I've got a 3/4 inch brad in the gun. So now I'm just going to take it, and what you do, you make sure this yellow piece is down on there, and you press it all the way down. So I'm going to take this little piece of 1/4 round. That's all there is to it. I mean, it's quiet. no hoses, no nothing. I mean, you can see right there. That's not going anywhere. But you got to be safe with it. See, it didn't split the wood or anything. I don't know what you do with that, but pretty neat deal. It's we've been wanting one because we're all the time putting little frames together and little projects and putting moldings on stuff. Works well. And I would not make a video if something did not work. I would tell you. It's got a belt loop or a wall hanger that you hang it up with. Now, if we switch to the other mode, now I don't know if y'all can see the switch down here. I haven't tried it yet, but it's like semi-automatic and automatic for you guys that own weapons, so like me. But okay, it didn't do anything. So if I hold the trigger, it does that. Okay, now if I switch it back to normal mode, hold the trigger, nothing. But now if I push it down, so it goes single shot, multi-shot. So if you really had to get after it, hold the trigger, pretty cool. Pretty cool. So anyway, that concludes our thing. Always pull the battery out when you're not using it in case a child comes by, or you don't want to get the trigger hung, you know, in case you have it in the rapid fire mode. But I'll do a long-term review. We got several projects we're working on, but so far, pretty cool. I like it. I got a couple other tools that we bought for these projects too that if y'all want to see a review on, I've got a 18 volt battery powered miter box saw and a impact driver. And if y'all have a direct tools outlet close by, you can get these tools factory refurbished, factory manufactured, whatever, and get a really good deal in them. So I like it. So anyway, hey, if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that little subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. We were at 494 subscribers just a few minutes ago, I think it was 494. Can't appreciate it enough. Thanks for the views. We passed 80,000 total views on the channel, which is, for a small channel, that's pretty cool. But anyway, I hope everybody's having a great day, having a great week, and until the next video, thanks for watching. I gotta go fishing. Man, I gotta quit all this work. Bodie.